I'm Frank Gallinelli, and I want to welcome you to my course, An Introduction to Real Estate Investment Analysis. And I want to start off by assuring you that this is not a get-rich-quick seminar and not a motivational pep rally. This is entirely about your education as a real estate investor. I've been involved in real estate for more than 40 years and active in real estate investor education for over a decade. I even teach the same material in my grad school class at Columbia University. I'm very much looking forward to sharing what I've learned over the years with you in this course. Now, we may already be acquainted, in a manner of speaking. Perhaps you've read some of my books, such as What Every Real Estate Investor Needs to Know About Cash Flow. Or you may have used some of my company's software, Real Data Software. And if you have, I want to thank you for that. Now, before we get down to serious business, I'd like to spend just a few minutes previewing what the content and structure of this course is all about and what you can expect to get out of it. This course is for those who want to learn how professionals look at income property investments and how they make investment decisions, how they estimate value, how they measure their potential returns, how they work with lenders and financing, and perhaps most important, how they make informed and intelligent decisions about when to buy or sell and on what terms. Each of the videos in this series is about 10 minutes in length. And I try to deliver a great deal of information in each of the videos, so don't hesitate to watch more than once. I do urge you, however, to watch the videos in order because the topics tend to build one upon the other. Now, I'm going to start with a very simple overview. I'm going to be discussing what actually is an investment and what kind of motivations drive investment decisions. And that will seem like, as I said, fairly simple information, but be assured that after that, we're going to go into much greater depth about income property analysis. You're going to learn about topics like the importance of the income stream, about due diligence, time value of money, operating and resale pro formas, discounted cash flow, loan underwriting, and a variety of investment metrics, such as NPV and internal rate of return. You'll learn to crunch the numbers, but if math wasn't your best subject in school, don't worry about it. I'm going to show you how. Now, after I cover the key concepts and calculations, I'm going to move on to some material that's very much like what I do in my course at Columbia, and that's some case studies, different property types. And those case studies are going to serve several purposes. The first is to get you to practice a comprehensive deal analysis, essentially a bumper-to-bumper evaluation of an income property. You're also going to have a chance to consider some special situations, such as expense recoveries and triple net leases. But the third is perhaps the most important and maybe even the most difficult, and that's to put yourself inside the deal. To look at the deal as if you are a real participant in the transaction, investing real money in a real life situation. And when you do that, you're going to want to look not just at the numbers, not just running the numbers, but you're going to want to learn to look beyond the numbers, to look for the story that might be behind the story. That's what real and successful investors do, and you can do it too. Our goal here is to help you become a good and successful investor, one who makes not only good deals, but also learns how to steer clear of bad deals. But enough about what we're going to do. Let's get started and do it. Let's move on to our first lesson.